So she knows the mower isn't human.
Yeah. It doesn't bother her.
No. I think she's just starting to eat faster. She knows that. But yeah.
Oh, it's gone over the food.
Gone over the food.
I think that mower has a mind of its own.
Yeah.
And look at it's going after the cat now.
Yeah. I think it has a mind of its own.
But look at the cat waits until the very last moment.
Oh, yeah, keep going.
Back for the food again. But it's interesting, the cat doesn't try to attack that now.
No.
See it as a threat for the food or anything.
You see, there's a wire there now, you see? And then it'll come back out.
Straight for the cat. There she's off.
Oh, it's gone back down the garden again.
But the hilarious thing about that is, if you went out, the cat wouldn't wait as long.
No.
She knows that's not a problem to her.
I wonder what I did the first time I came across it, you know?
Yeah, she's probably been watching it for a while and she knows. It's gone.